Okay students, assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to start page number 6. We did our work yesterday till page number 5. So today we are going to start from page number 6. So here what we have to do, we have number names and we have to write their numbers. So what we have O-N-E. So what we will read O-N-E 1. So we will write 1 here. And now we have S-E-V-E-N 7. So we will write 7 here. Then we have F-O-U-R 4. So we will write 4 here. Then we have T-E-N 10. So we will write 10 here. Then we have T-H-R-E-E 3. So we will write 3 here. Then we have Z-E-R-O zero. So we will write 0 here. And it's your classwork. So we will write classwork here and date here. So don't forget to write the date and classwork at every page. Okay. Now on the next page, on page number 7, what we have? We have the number short form. Look, S, and we have 2 more digits after S. So what it will be? S. Which number comes from S? SIX 6 and SEVEN 7 comes from S. So what we will do? We have only 2 digits after S. So what it will be? 6 or 7? We have many more digits in 7. So it will be 6 obviously. So SIX 6. We will write 6 here. Just like this, you have a lot of numbers. Fill in the blanks here. So you have to complete them. And guess that what number it can be. And this is your homework. And don't forget to write the date on the top of the page. Now on the next page, page number 8, what you have? Okay, count Zinni's pets, write in words. Okay, so here again, same like we did the work yesterday. We have to write the things and write the numbers, but this time we have to write the number in words. So look, they ask us that how many puppies are there in this picture. So how many puppies? Okay, so first find out the difference between puppies and dogs. So these are puppies and rabbits. So these are the rabbits. ये देखिए, rabbits के ears ऐसे होते हैं बड़े बड़े और डॉग्स के एयर्स ऐसे होते हैं. सो पपीज़ को प्लीज़ रैबिट्स में काउंट मत कर लीजिएगा. ओके, सो देखिए, पपीज़ 1 2 3 4. हाउ मैनी पपीज़? 4. सो वी विल राइट FOUR here. FOUR 4. So we will write FOUR here. Then in the next question, they ask that how many fish, FISH fish in this picture. So look, there is an aquarium and we have fishes inside the aquarium. Okay, so how many fishes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 7 fishes. So how we will write it? We will write 7 in words. SEVEN 7. Now they ask about parrots. So how many parrots are there in this picture? Look, here is the parrot. Is there more parrots? No, there is only one parrot. So we will write ONE1. 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 Now rabbits. They asked me about rabbits. I told you that rabbits' ears are like this and puppy's ears are like this. So count how many rabbits are there. 1, 2. This is the rabbit. This ये उल्टा है. So ये जो है आपको इसकी टेल से पता चल जाएगा कि ये रैबिट है. So 1, 2, 3. So how many rabbits are there? 3. So write THREE 3. THREE 3. Okay. Sorry student, I did one mistake in it because the camera was vertical, so I was not able to see. There are not 4 puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 puppies. Sorry. So we count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we write 4 here. Then we count rabbits 1, 2, 3 and we wrote 3 here in the rabbits. Then we see 1 parrot and we write 1 here. Then we see 7 fishes and we write 7 here. Okay, so now on the next page number 9, you have to write the date on the top first. And you have to count and write the numbers. Choose the set that has more things. Okay. So these are 2 sets. You will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many cupcakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will write 8 here. Now count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many cupcakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will write 7 here. And cross the set that has more things. So in this set में more things हैं. किस set में more things हैं? 8. इस set में more things हैं. So you will cut that set. आपने पहले दोनों को काउंट किया, दोनों के नंबर्स लिख के जितने और उसके बाद जिसमें जो बड़ा नंबर है जिसमें ज़्यादा कपकेक्स हैं उस सेट को आपने कट कर दिया. नाउ ऑन पेज नंबर 10 you have to do the same thing. First you will count and write, then you will count and write and then see that which picture have fewer set. Now you have to see the fewer things. Now you will see that which pictures have fewer things. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this you have 6 things and in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write 5 here, and in which you have fewer things. Fewer means 5. You will cut that set. पिछले वाले में हमें more things को cut करना था, इसमें हमें fewer things को cut करना है. Just like this. Look at the ice cream. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 ice creams in this picture and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 ice creams in this set. So 7 is fewer or 8 ice creams are fewer. Obviously 7 is the smallest number, so 7 ice creams are fewer. So we will cut this set. Okay. Now on page number 11, you have a bedroom picture and you have to count the things and write it here just like this. Look at the drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 drawers, so you wrote 6 here. Just like this, you have to find out how many picture frames are there in this room, how many teddy bears are there in this room, how many balls are there in this room, how many shirts are there in this room, how many pencils are there in this room. And this will be your homework. Okay. So Jazakallah for joining me. I gave you 2 pages in the homework. Okay, so do that pages that I gave you in the homework and complete your classwork in the P unit break. Okay, Jazakallah.